Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and anything that will help you make money online. Today I have another amazing product review for you for a product called BossPayz. BossPayz is going live today, actually the 16th of June 2022 at exactly 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it's been launched by the super affiliate Jason Fulton and my brother Sean Ogundele. And in a nutshell, it's a software that's going to help you provide social media marketing and management services for clients. So it's a software that will sort of manage social media on behalf of probably big companies and individuals who contract this very service for you. Assuming you have this gig on Fiverr where you provide such social media management, of course, services where you drive traffic to such people. And of course, you know, it's more valuable in these days with the social media traffic going wild. And therefore, if this is a product that you're going to require, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will generally take you to the amazing bonus page of mine, which is exactly here, and you can grab a copy with this button or any of the other yellow buttons scattered all over this very bonus page. When you do that, it will take you to the sales page where you will automatically see another yellow link that will give you direct access to my Warrior Plus account. I'm talking about this link. If you click it, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account where you will be able to check out on this product. When you do check out on this product, under your purchase history on my Warrior Plus account, you will find a page that looks like this with two buttons. This green one gives you access to BossPayz, and this one gives you access to the amazing bonuses that I'm going to show you in a matter of moments if you stick with me. And also, I can always show you also the members area, the software itself, so that you can take a look at probably with the demo video so that you can see how this product works in action. Okay, with that said, let us see more about what this product is all about. Jason Fulton says that it's a brand new one-click app that pays $148 to $367 over and over, completely hands-free like a boss, 100% free income, no investment needed, no approvals, and no product or service required whatsoever. So it's another crazy one from my favorite creator, Jason Fulton, and that of course may definitely translate into making money for you if you happen to get a copy of this. But that decision will be yours. Now, let us look at the pricing for this. The front end price goes for $19, and of course, that means you'll be able to have access to this software where you will be able to use the training and tutorials here to get the mastery you need to enable you even sell such services to others and make your own profit at your own price. Now, the upgrade number one is 47, which is the unlimited version of the front end, which means it's quite advisable to get the two of them if you want to get this, in case there are limitations on the front end, which obviously there may be. So now upgrade number two will be the done for you, which goes for $297, and everything is automatically done for you. You don't have to lift a finger. All you do is to relax and make money with this. Okay, now upgrade number three will be the traffic, which has to do with $47. Upgrade number four goes for $97. Upgrade number five, $147. Upgrade number six, $47. Number seven, $197. And upgrade number eight, $97. And upgrade number 9, $37, which I guess is the reseller rights that you get for this very product. Okay, now that's basically what you have here as upgrades and front end. Okay, now it's going to be up to you. All these other ones are optional, but if you can get done for you, that's good, because everything will be handled for you. And here you have the unlimited version, and of course the front end itself, where it's also enough for you to do this, but definitely I will advise for the unlimited version as well. That is the pro version. Okay, now with that said, let us see. You have 365-day money back guarantee on this one. In case there is anything that you don't like about this, for whatever reason, you'll be able to return it within a whole year of this very product. That means the creators must be sure of what they have done with this one to be able to give a year's money back guarantee. So that's the way I see it. Now let us see the amazing bonuses that I have for you. Now you see the premium bonus number 1 that I have for you is how to rank any site on the page 1 of Google. So that is crazy. We need to have this. Now my bonus number 2 will be 3 monetization strategies. This is strategies that were delivered by my mentor John Armstrong, and it will definitely help you because it has helped a lot of people, including myself, in this journey of making money online. Now bonus number 3 is another premium bonus that gives you access to product vault. In this product vault, the striking thing about this is that it has 7 amazing bonuses that you can tap from, which means as I'm showing you these 5 links and 5 bonuses, you add extra 17 bonuses to it. That means you have a total of 22 bonuses for this very product from me, okay? Because this one in itself has 17 and the other ones are 4. We're talking about 21 very good bonuses. Now my bonus number 4, I guess, will be how to create free professional websites which you can sell, as well as this product to Fiverr, on Fiverr, to companies and to individuals who need your social management services and all that, okay? And bonus number 5 will be the commission toolbox. This is a crazy toolbox that has over 1,000 tools that you can use, and most of these tools are traffic oriented, free traffic oriented, that you can actually promote certain things and get credit for promoting those things, and use those credit to run your own ads at the same time. So it's crazy. You need to have this. Now with that said, like I told you before, if you click this link, it's going to take you to my Water Plus account, to this sales page, and you click this, it will take you to my Water Plus account, where you will definitely find under your purchase history a page that looks like this, which gives you access to BossPayz, and here you have access to this amazing 21 crazy bonuses that I have lined up for you, as long as this one is concerned. And with that said, let us take a look at the very members area. Here you have the members area. I'm going to attach the demo video of this, the teaser of this, about 1.5 minute video of how this works when it is in action. Okay, now this is the dashboard. Here you have the SMM site, and you have the done for you SMM site, and you have the tutorials, which is very important. This is where you get all the tutorials that you need to get this one done. And here you have the support profile, and of course this is what you have. It's very explicit. It is tutorial such that even a baby, a newly or baby, can get the information here and be able to replicate that as well. So with that said, I will attach the demo video teaser right after this so that you can take a look at that. Now let's see that, and then we'll wrap up with the sales page. Mike of the Mbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here. And of course, here is the sales page for BossPayz, and here you can always at your convenience read through this so that you don't make a bad decision. After reading this, I am convinced that you may be making up your mind on getting a copy of this for yourself, as long as it's from this gentleman Jason Fulton and Sharon Ogundele, my brother. And of course, you'll be able to get that decision made if you go through this. Now let us see if we can locate some of the vendor bonuses that you have access to when eventually you pick up this one and be able to utilize it in making money as early as possible for yourself. And you know what that means: freedom, geographic, and of course otherwise. Okay, so that is my own recommendation, personal of course. The decision now to take this or not is going to be yours. The bonus number 1 from the vendor will be this very one. Okay, bonus number 2, BossPayz Accelerator 1 million a year blueprint. Bonus number 3 will be recurring 30-second free commission. Bonus number 4 will be license rights to 3 of their best profitable offers, and bonus number 5 will be the discount coupon. So that's basically what you have as bonuses from the vendor. And with that said, let us try to wrap up this very review by going back to the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you, which I guess you will have access to when you click that link below in my description area. That will drive you to this very point where you can access all the bonuses that I have lined up for you, and especially make use of these 17 amazing bonuses that are all 17 in one bonuses, making it 21 crazy bonuses that I have lined up for you. And with that said, we are going to come to the end of this very review. This is my pleasure to invite you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and of course use the bell button for notifications, and I will be back to you in my next video. Till then, this is Mike signing off from here. Bye guys.